In this Zoom episode, I will talk about a true legend in the world of watches, the Cartier Santos. The model I have in my hands today is the Santos 100 reference 2878. And as you can see, it really is an eye-catcher with its beautiful dial and red leather strap. Before I get into it, I just want to mention real quick that we have a lot of other Zoom videos, reviews, watch talks, and how-tos. So if you're into watches, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll never miss another video. But now, let's have a look at the Cartier Santos 100 Ref 2878. In 1904, Louis Cartier created a watch for his friend Brazilian-French aviation pioneer Alberto Santos Dumont that he could wear while flying. This is how the Santos came to existence as one of the world's first wristwatches. What we have here is a 33 by 43 mm case, and as such considered mid-size, suitable for both men and women. The bezel is fixed with 8 screws, something we saw on Audemars Piguet, also in Hublot, with 6 screws. We have a wide dial with black Roman indexes, very typical for Cartier. The dial is very close in design to the first Cartier that Louis Cartier made for Santos Dumont. It also had the same Roman numerals. There's also a hidden secret in the dial, which is at the number 7. As you can see, the Roman numerals 7 is a V and 2 eyes, and one of the legs of the V has the text Cartier hidden in it. Another interesting fact is the number 4. Romans write 4 with an I and a V. However, earliest Roman writing shows the number 4 with only 4 eyes next to each other. This is exactly the same typography that Cartier used on the dial. So we have 1 eye for 1, 2 for 2, 3 for 3, and 4 for 4 before we go to the V that represents number 5 in Roman. Inside the Cartier Santos 100 is the caliber 076. This is basically ETA's 2671 caliber, which is an automatic mechanical movement with an analog display with a diameter of about 17.2 millimeters. It has 25 joules and a power reserve of 38 hours with a frequency of 28,800 vibration per hour. One of the most distinct features of the watch is its blood red crocodile leather strap, which has a double deployant folding clasp, very typical for Cartier. It has the 2 screws, the same screws that you can see on the dial, and there are 2 push buttons through which you can release and secure the strap. The Santos is for sure one of Cartier's most popular model lines. In fact, our Chrono24 data shows that in 2019, the Santos was actually the most sold Cartier, way ahead of the Tang models. When it comes to the price, the Santos 100 sells for around 3,500 euros, and it has increased in value over the last couple of years. Considering its legendary status and compared to other iconic watches, one could argue that this is still a relatively low price point. If you're interested in the Santos 100, feel free to check out the link in the description that will lead you to all the offers on Chrono24. So the Cartier Santos is without a doubt a stunning watch. It is probably not for everybody due to its striking design. Still, if you consider the fact that it's basically a unisex model and just looks good on many wrists and for many occasions, it's actually more versatile than you would think when you first hold it in your hands. But what do you think about it? Let us know in the comments below, and if you liked the video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day. Enjoy your watches. Bye bye.